What's going on, guys? I am in Jaco, Costa Rica, about to go to El Miro. People want to see what it looks like, so I'm going to give you the 4K version here. So you want to walk with me? Let's go. So this is the very beginning of El Miro. Guys, I go here every day to clear my head. It's absolutely beautiful. On the left, you got the ocean. On the right, you got the jungle. There's actually I saw a couple toucans flying in there. They're huge in real life, by the way. Toucans, you see them on Fruit Loops, whatever. In real life, they're giant dinosaur beaks. So very interesting birds. But back to El Miro. Okay, so this place, I guess, was gonna be a giant resort. They scrapped it, and now there's a ton of graffiti, and it's now a tourist place. So super cool. People go here. A lot of people who are into exercise, things like that. You'll meet a lot of healthy expats definitely walking this trail. I mean, if you go as much as I do, but I go every single day to clear the mind. That's what this channel is for. Clear your mind, okay? Eat good food, have good air, live in a place, change your environment, change your life, okay? This is what this channel is all about. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour here, all right? 4K tour. We're just walking. Man, it's a beautiful day again. A little overcast, but you know what? Doesn't even matter. This is on a Monday, okay? So there's no tourists, zero tourists. You come on a weekend, it will get busy. And as you can see now, you're starting to see Jacó Beach. That's where all the hotels are and the restaurants right on the beach. But you can definitely see some whales if you hang out there long enough in that ocean. So as you can see, Jacó Beach is absolutely beautiful. This El Miro, looks a little run down, but that's what makes it majestic, okay? And I'm gonna keep walking. There's levels to this little castle, I call it here. Okay, so it's dirty, rugged, and you keep walking, and you can go down and see some really cool art. If you check out some of my shorts, I made some shorts about all the art here. But again, change your environment, change your life, guys. This is what it's all about. Nobody wants to be stuck in the West. This is where people need to start living and checking out. So this is, I guess you could say, the first floor. No, this is the middle floor. Okay? A lot of people hang out here. A lot of couples. A lot of people over here always taking pictures. Like I said, though, this is a Monday. I love when it's not touristy. It makes life way easier. See, look how cool that art is. And there's so many little holes and little gaps in there. And I just keep on walking down, like it's like a little maze. You don't know what's going to happen. So just let me know what you guys think. If you like this kind of stuff, leave it in the comments. Let me know. And we'll get back. Oh, wait a minute. I found, like what's going on in places like this? You know what I mean? I was like, who's in there? But I was like, I'm all right. I'm out of there. I'm out. I am out. Looks like I'm still cruising here for a bit. All right. Look at all that graffiti. I think it's super. I think this place is one of the coolest places to go take on a date or go on or by yourself hike. I think it's just a cool place to go hang out. Bring a cooler, bring some food, and you just sit on one of these ledges here. Sounds scary, but it's really not. You sit on the ledge, have some food, have some water, and just be at peace, right? I'm not a hippie. I just like peace. I like my brain to be at, in a peaceful state. The world's so hectic all the time. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, obviously there's no rails. But yeah, I was just walking around here. I was just loving life, like just walking around, just seeing what they have, right? You can hear monkeys swinging, lizards, and Those black iguanas everywhere. There's actually a ton of poison tree frogs that you can see as you're walking up to El Miro. You'll see that. So check this out. That's on a log.